Hi y'all, Graham here at Estimate Hub. Just going to show you how to import an ESX file into Xactimate. You're going to go to Tools, and this is on the desktop version. Ensure that you select Import, and make sure you're selecting the correct location of where that ESX file is that you're going to import. Select Data, and then this is the file that I want. And it's pretty swift. Even on a big file, it might only take 3-4 seconds. From here, we go to Local, and there's the file that we just imported. If there was a collection of files here, then you can just click here at the top and type in the name of it. But we're going to open it up, and this is a beefier file. And here we are. Here is our estimate, and we have all the line items and F9 notes included here. So that's a quick overview of how to import an ESX file into Xactimate.